Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning and welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. Let me start by saying a few words about my own background. My name is Muskan Ali and I am in grade 7. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is preposition. Now we will learn about preposition. A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, special relationships, or to introduce an object. Some examples of preposition are words like in, at, on, of, and to. Now we will learn the types of preposition. There are 8 types of preposition, including prepositions of time, preposition of place, preposition of movement, preposition of manner, preposition of source, preposition of measure, preposition of possession. Now we have learned the preposition types. Now we will learn about some examples of preposition that we commonly use: above, across, against, along, among, around, at, before, etc. And that brings us to an end. I would like to thank you for your time and attention today. Thank you so much for your interest and attention.